Meaning of Guantánamo Bay.
Guantánamo Bay.
Guantánamo Bay.
Guantánamo Bay.
Guantánamo Bay. Guantánamo Bay refers to a controversial American military base located in Cuba. The base has been used as a detention center allegedly for holding suspected terrorists since the 9/11 attacks in 2001. The detainees have faced criticism due to allegations of torture and being held without trial. The base and its operations have been a source of tension between the United States and Cuba. In recent years, there have been efforts by the U.S. government to close the facility, with some detainees being released or transferred to other countries.